Hi there, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
Debt can be difficult when you don't know how to handle it. Money can cause a lot of stress, and that stress only grows when you've got bills that are unpaid, calls from creditors, or your wages are being garnished. While sometimes it feels like bankruptcy is the only option, there is another form of debt relief that people aren't always familiar with: the consumer proposal.
If you're looking for a way to reduce your debt, pay back your creditors, and repair your credit history, then a consumer proposal might be a good option. A licensed insolvency trustee will review your finances and explore your options with you, including whether or not you're eligible for a consumer proposal. If you're experiencing any of the following warning signs, it may be time to ask for help.
Can you only afford to make minimum payments? When you only make minimum payments, the money you owe balloons well beyond the amount you actually borrowed. That's why it can feel like you're never making any progress. If you only make minimum payments, with the added interest, you can wind up doubling the time it takes to pay back the total amount that you owe.
Are you borrowing money to pay off other loans? If you're taking out high-interest cash advances to pay for utilities or credit card payments, you are likely to wind up even deeper in debt. You could be doing more harm to yourself by borrowing more rather than seeking help now.
You're spending more than you earn. Look at your bank statements for the past 6 months. Have you spent more money than you've earned? When you're making up the difference with credit, you're going to wind up in more debt that you can handle.
Does more than 20% of your monthly income go to paying back loans? If you spend more than 20% of your net monthly income on paying back loans, think about getting help. Once you're spending that much to pay back the money, you're not able to save and probably aren't able to increase your payments.
You have no savings or emergency fund. Emergency expenses happen. When they do, you need savings or an emergency fund to draw on. Otherwise, you're going to rely on credit to cover the costs, and paying that debt back is the problem. If you're experiencing any of these warning signs, it may be time to talk to us at Sklar Associates about a consumer proposal.
A consumer proposal is a formal binding offer made to your creditors to settle your debt for less than the full amount owing. It's a legal process filed through a licensed insolvency trustee. At the completion of the proposal, all unsecured creditors included in the proposal are forgiven.
Licensed insolvency trustees, like Sklar Associates, are professionals that have been licensed by the Superintendent of Bankruptcy to administer proposals and bankruptcies and manage assets held in trust. It's legally required that you work with a licensed insolvency trustee when filing a bankruptcy or a consumer proposal.
In addition, all trustees must complete and pass a 3-year bankruptcy and law course. In most cases, it'll be more cost-efficient to use a trustee. Bankruptcy trustees have their fees regulated by the government.
It's very important that the relationship with your trustee is built on trust and understanding. Depending on what your debt relief journey looks like, it's possible that you're going to be seeing a lot of your trustee.
If you're interested in a consumer proposal, you should come to Sklar Associates to get a free consultation. There are no upfront fees, and one of our trustees will guide you through the process.
You can also leave questions about consumer proposals and bankruptcies in Toronto in the comments below, or let us know if you want a topic covered in a future video. For more info, check out the show notes below and click subscribe to get notified right away when we post new videos.